Indonesia, a nation of more than 17,000 islands scattered across the Pacific, has long been known for its rich multicultural heritage, diverse traditions, and abundant natural resources. Among Indonesia's signature ecosystems, agriculture plays an exceptionally important role, sustaining the livelihoods of millions. And within that agricultural landscape, the pineapple stands out as a key crop with high economic value. As of 2020, Indonesia had over 47,000 hectares of land dedicated specifically to pineapple cultivation, accounting for approximately 4.3% of the country's total fruit-growing area. Thanks to its favorable tropical climate, pineapples thrive here, becoming not only an important export commodity, but also a familiar everyday fruit for local communities. Today, we invite you to join us on a deeper exploration of Indonesia's pineapple and strawberry industries, two fruits beloved not only across the country, but also around the world. We'll look at how they are grown, cared for, harvested, and processed, and follow the journey that brings fresh, flavorful pineapples and strawberries to the tables of consumers in many nations. Indonesia's pineapple industry holds a particularly important place within the nation's agricultural structure. Pineapples are not only a familiar fruit in daily life, but have also become one of the country's high-value economic crops. Thanks to a year-round stable tropical climate, abundant rainfall, and fertile soil, pineapples thrive across many regions, keeping Indonesia consistently among the world's leading pineapple producers. In 2023, Indonesia's pineapple output reached approximately 2.8 million tons, elevating the country to the second-largest producer globally. Most of this production is consumed domestically, meeting the diverse culinary needs of Indonesians, from fresh eating and juicing to cooking and confectionery. In addition, Indonesian pineapples are exported to major markets such as China, Japan, and several European countries, valued for their distinctive flavor, high sweetness, and increasingly standardized production processes. Starting around 6:30 each morning, just as the sun begins to rise and a layer of mist still clings to the leaves, Indonesia's vast pineapple fields grow lively with activity. Thousands of workers gather at designated meeting points to check their protective gear before beginning their day. Their attire typically includes thick, long-sleeved shirts, protective pants, rubber gloves, wide-brimmed hats, and sturdy-soled boots to shield them from sharp thorns and leaf edges that can easily cut the skin. Each worker carries a specialized sickle, sharpened the day before to ensure clean, precise cuts. As they step into the fields, workers spread out across clearly marked plots. The plantations are divided into sections, each planted at different times to ensure a continuous harvest over several weeks. This staggered layout allows workers to quickly identify which areas are ready for picking based on the farm's tracking schedule. Within each plot, workers inspect each pineapple to determine its ripeness. A pineapple is considered ready when its skin has turned an even golden yellow. Its eyes are full and round, and the stem shows slight dryness, a sign that the fruit's sugar content has reached the ideal level. Once a ripe fruit is spotted, the worker bends down and slices the stem with a single decisive motion, taking care not to damage the outer skin. Experienced workers can harvest hundreds of pineapples each day thanks to their quick judgment and the practiced movements honed over years. After cutting, each pineapple is gently placed into small carts that move continuously between the rows, collecting fruit from workers and transporting it to temporary collection points. This job requires tight coordination between the harvesters and the transport workers to prevent delays that could leave the fruit exposed to the sun. Prolonged exposure to direct sunlight can cause pineapples to lose moisture and freshness, reducing their quality before they reach processing. Once a cart is full, it is pushed to the base of the conveyor line, a long transport system connecting the fields to the sorting area. Here, pineapples are placed onto slow-moving belts to minimize impact. The conveyor system not only shortens carrying time, but also reduces the need for manual lifting, helping the fruit maintain its shape and preventing unwanted scratches. At the collection station, another group of workers performs the initial inspection. They look at each pineapple, sorting them by size and color consistency. Fruits that are misshapen or show signs of impact during harvest are separated for alternative processing. Meanwhile, pineapples that meet quality standards are sent on to the cleaning and pre-processing area. Beyond visual sorting, workers also check the firmness of the skin and the sturdiness of the stem, two key factors that determine shelf life and suitability for long-distance transport. Thanks to strict quality control from the very first stage of harvest, farms can ensure that only the freshest, highest quality pineapples make it into processing lines or packaging. These steps mark the first phase of a pineapple's long journey, from the moment it is cut from the plant to its arrival in factories, stores, or export shipments. Every stage demands precision, patience, and the expertise of the workers, whose role is essential in maintaining the quality and reputation of Indonesian pineapples in international markets. When the trucks carrying pineapples from the fields arrive at the processing area of the factory, sorting and pre-processing begin immediately to ensure the fruit retains its original freshness. The pineapples are gently emptied into large water tanks, where the first natural screening step takes place. Here, workers rely on the principle of flotation to assess quality. Fruits with internal defects, poor structure, or insufficient juiciness tend to sink and are immediately removed from the main processing line. Meanwhile, those that float indicate good freshness, solid flesh, and suitable quality standards for further processing. After passing this initial check, the pineapples move into an automated washing system. Multi-directional spray nozzles combined with strong water pressure remove all remaining soil, dust, and debris from the skin after harvest. This step is crucial for maintaining hygiene throughout the production line. Immediately afterward, the fruit is sent through a cold water cooling bath. Rapid cooling helps keep the flesh crisp, reduces moisture loss, and preserves the pineapple's natural flavor as it continues through subsequent processing stages. Once cleaned and cooled, the pineapples enter a light air-drying area. Industrial fans blow off any remaining surface water to prevent issues with packaging later on. The drying speed is carefully controlled to ensure the fruit isn't scratched or damaged while moving along the conveyor. Next, the pineapples move to a more detailed grading zone. Here, workers visually inspect each fruit, evaluating size, color, and uniformity. Pineapples that do not meet international standards in shape or show minor surface marks are directed to deep processing sections for juicing, jam production, or slicing. Meanwhile, premium quality fruits with ideal appearance are sent to the whole fruit packaging area. The packaging section operates in a clean, tightly temperature-controlled environment. Workers wearing gloves and protective attire carefully place each pineapple into specialized boxes or trays, making sure no impact occurs during handling. Every fruit is handled with gentle, precise movements to maintain its shape, flavor, and natural freshness. Once packed, each box is sealed with protective film and labeled with origin details, processing dates, and tracking codes to ensure full transparency when the fruit enters the market. After being harvested and sorted, the pineapples are transported directly to the modern processing facilities of large factories, where every step of the operation is tightly controlled under international standards. Pineapples that meet quality requirements first pass through an automated selection system, where sensors measure their size and uniformity before they enter the washing line. Multi-directional high-pressure sprays thoroughly clean the outer skin, after which the fruit moves on to industrial peelers. Rotating blades remove the skin and eyes with precision, minimizing loss of edible flesh. Once peeled, the pineapples are sent to the cutting area. Depending on the intended final product, the fruit may be sliced into rings, diced into cubes, or cored and segmented. High-speed cutting machines ensure that each piece has consistent thickness, an attractive shape, and retains its natural juiciness. From here, the standardized pineapple pieces are directed into two production pathways: IQF freezing or juice extraction. For the freezing process, pineapples enter the IQF line, individual quick freezing, a technology that preserves color, flavor, and nutritional value. The pineapple pieces are spread evenly across a chilled conveyor before being flash frozen at extremely low temperatures within a very short time frame. This ensures that each piece freezes individually, without clumping, and maintains its fresh texture when thawed. Once frozen, the pineapples are immediately packaged in specialized bags and transferred to cold storage, ready for export. Meanwhile, another portion of the fruit is sent through the extraction system to produce pineapple juice. The slices are crushed and pressed using high-capacity juicers, after which the liquid is filtered to remove pulp and impurities. Concentration takes place under tightly controlled temperatures to preserve as much natural flavor as possible. At the end of the line, the juice is filled into cans or glass bottles by a high-precision automated system, ensuring consistent volume in every product. After these primary processing steps are completed, the pineapples move to the canning stage, one of the most important phases in the entire industry. The evenly cut slices or cubes are arranged in metal cans or glass jars in standard volumes. Syrup, or natural juice, is then added to maintain sweetness, moisture, and structural integrity during storage. Once filled, the cans proceed to the sterilization area. Here, they undergo heat treatment at specific temperatures and durations to eliminate harmful microorganisms. This step is crucial, as it determines the product's long-term shelf stability while preserving the fresh taste of the fruit. After sterilization, the cans are gradually cooled, checked for proper sealing, labeled, and packed into cartons. Thanks to this carefully organized and modern system of processing, freezing, and canning, each finished pineapple product not only meets international quality standards, but also retains the fruit's natural sweetness, vibrant yellow color, and distinctive aroma before reaching markets around the world. Next, we turn to California, widely known as the strawberry capital of the world. In 2021, the state produced roughly 1.1 million tons of strawberries, accounting for an astounding 91% of all strawberries grown in the United States and generating more than $2.1 billion in annual revenue. These figures not only highlight the immense scale of the industry, but also reflect the stability, efficiency, and strategic investment California has dedicated to this crop. Across its fertile landscapes, strawberry fields are neatly organized into long, uniform rows, each covered with agricultural mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Seen from a distance, they resemble endless green carpets dotted with vibrant red berries glistening under gentle sunlight, a signature scene of California agriculture. Thanks to the state's mild climate, warm sunshine, and cooling ocean breezes, strawberries here grow evenly and produce large, deeply colored fruits with a naturally sweet, fragrant flavor. California farmers employ a variety of modern cultivation techniques, especially water-efficient drip irrigation systems that keep the soil properly moist without wasting resources. In addition, crop care follows strict standards designed to maximize yield. As a result, strawberry plants can be harvested multiple times throughout the year, ensuring a steady supply for both domestic markets and export. The combination of ideal natural conditions and advanced farming practices has created some of the world's most renowned strawberry fields, allowing California to maintain its long-standing title as the strawberry capital of the world. The Agrobot E-Series strawberry harvester is considered a major breakthrough in modern agriculture, especially for large-scale farms in California. To meet rising market demand and address the shortage of seasonal labor, many farms have adopted this robotic system as an optimal solution for both productivity and quality. The Agrobot E-Series is equipped with 24 independent robotic arms, each fitted with precision sensors and compact cutting blades. As the machine moves along the strawberry rows, its advanced imaging system continuously scans the beds, analyzing each berry's color, size, and sheen. This allows the robot to accurately identify perfectly ripe strawberries without requiring direct human intervention. When a ripe berry is detected, the robotic arm gently extends downward and cuts the stem with a swift, precise motion, applying no pressure to the fruit itself. Its mechanism is designed to maintain minimal contact, ensuring that each strawberry retains its shape and remains free from bruising or scratches during harvest. After cutting, the arm places the berry into a collection tray or packaging container right in the field, reducing transport time and minimizing exposure to external elements. Using the Agrobot E-Series significantly increases harvesting speed, particularly during periods when rapid picking is necessary to prevent overripe fruit. Thanks to its highly accurate selection capabilities, post-harvest losses drop noticeably compared to manual picking, which often depends on a worker's experience and skill. The robot can operate continuously for long hours without being affected by weather or fatigue, enabling farms to maintain stable output and improve overall production efficiency. Right after harvesting, Trays of strawberries are quickly transported to the processing plant to ensure the fruit retains its natural freshness. Upon arrival, the berries are taken to the raw material receiving area, where workers conduct an initial inspection to remove any bruised, overripe, or undersized fruit. The strawberries are then sent into an automated washing system, where multiple gentle, clean water spray nozzles remove dust, dry leaves, and soil without scratching the delicate skin. Next, the strawberries move to a more detailed grading section. Here, a conveyor system works alongside manual visual inspection to select berries with vibrant color, even ripeness, and a full, rounded shape. Those that meet quality standards are separated into two processing directions: whole berries or cut berries, depending on the intended end product. Whole strawberries are commonly used for frozen or fresh-packed products, while sliced or diced berries are directed into production lines for juice, smoothies, or jam. For juice production, strawberries are lightly crushed to preserve their natural flavor and then pressed using industrial extractors. The juice is finely filtered to remove seeds and residue before undergoing controlled heating and finally being filled into bottles or cans. For smoothies, the berries are blended to a moderate consistency, often with a small amount of natural stabilizing solution added to maintain a smooth texture. In jam production, strawberries are gently cooked in large heated vats, with a carefully measured amount of sugar to achieve the desired thickness while preserving the fruit's natural red color. The cooking process is tightly regulated to prevent caramelization and ensure the jam retains its signature aroma. A significant portion of the strawberries is also processed into IQF frozen berries. Selected for their superior freshness, the berries are evenly spread across a freezing conveyor. The IQF, individual quick freezing, technology rapidly brings the fruit to extremely low temperatures in a very short time. This ensures that each berry retains its shape, vibrant red color, and juicy texture just as when it was freshly picked. After freezing, the berries are packed in cold conditions to maintain stable quality until distribution or export. Throughout the entire process, from washing and sorting to cutting, pressing, and freezing, production takes place in a fully controlled environment that ensures food safety. Thanks to these advanced technologies, strawberries can retain nearly all their natural flavor and nutritional value, meeting the diverse demands of consumers around the world. From the vast green fields to the factories powered by modern technology, the journey of pineapples and strawberries is a testament to human dedication and ingenuity. It is the story of farmers who rise before dawn, of engineers who work tirelessly to ensure every product meets the highest standards, and of production lines that continually evolve to keep pace with global demand. Every pineapple and every strawberry we enjoy carries within it the quiet efforts of countless individuals, those who devote their skills and hard work to turning agricultural produce into a source of pride for modern farming. If this journey has inspired you, feel free to share your thoughts below. What do you think about the passion and effort behind these familiar fruits? Don't forget to like, share this video, and follow the channel so you can join us in discovering more fascinating stories about the world of agriculture and technology in upcoming episodes. Your support is the motivation that encourages us to continue bringing meaningful content every day.